A very good morning to all my dear students. Students, now in this tutorial, we are going to do the GK exercises. Students, the syllabus of GK is from chapters 23 to 32. Again listen, the syllabus for GK is chapters 23 to 32. 10 chapters are coming in your syllabus. 23 to 32. So let's start doing exercises. Students, some of the exercises we have solved in the online classes, but most of the few exercises are left which we are going to do in this tutorial. Let's start doing.
Okay students, let's start doing figure the speech chapter number 27. Series of words that begin with the same consonant or sound alike. What is the answer? The answer is alliteration. Next is exaggeration of a statement. Fifth number. What is that? Hyperbole. Next is the clever or humorous use of words that have more than one meaning but sound the same. What is the answer? Number 7. Number 7 answer is pun. Pun. 8. The use of words to convey the opposite of their literal meaning. 8 number, what is that? Irony. Irony. Now students, next down. Comparison between two things using like or as. What is the answer in this? Simile. Simile. Attributing or applying human qualities to intimate objects, animals, or natural phenomena. The answer is personification. Personification. Fourth, a implied comparison between two dissimilar things that have something in common. Fourth number is metaphor. Metaphor. Words that imitate real sounds. What is the answer? Sixth number. Sixth number is onomo. It's onomatopoeia. It's onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Words that imitate real sounds. So students, this is the figure, the speech. Now students, we are going to do chapter number 28. Chapter number 28, Internet Quiz. Let's start doing. What is the full form of WW? Full form of WW is World Wide Web. What does URL stand for? Uniform Resource Locator. Who created Hotmail? Sabir Bhatia. What is the internet domain name of India? in.in. What is the name of the language you use to write a web page? HTML. What are Firefox and Internet Explorer? Browsers. What is an email? Electronic mail. Which one of the following is a search engine? Google. http://www.classzone.com is an example of which of these URL. Students, you prepare these knowledge bits also, which are given in the last pages now. Yes, knowledge bits. So you prepare these knowledge bits also. Now students, we are going to do the Indian artist. Yes, she was one of the most charismatic and promising Indian artists of the pre-colonial era. Most of her paintings reflect vividly her love for the country and its people. The answer is Amrita Shergill. Next, he is famous for his depiction of scenes from the epics of the Mahabharata and Ramayana. Raja Ravi Verma. Next, third, with an exemplary touch of Renaissance in Indian painting, he played a significant role in shaping up the modern face of traditional art through his deep thoughts of nationalism and philosophical inclination. The answer is Nand Lal Bose. Fourth, he held the record for the highest price for which an Indian painting has ever been sold in a public auction. The answer is Tayyab Mehta. Next, students, she is among India's leading contemporary female artists who have created a name for themselves in the domestic as well as international art scenario. The answer is Anjola L. Menon. Anjola and Anjoli and Ella Menon. Next, he founded the Bengal School of Indian Painting. His work was a mixture of traditionalism and innovation. He also laid stress on the subject matter and revealed a suppleness and graceful movements in the life. The answer is Abindranath Tagore, not Rabindra. It is Abindranath Tagore. Now, students, we are going to do world of numbers. How many vowels are there in English alphabet? 5. How many gems did Akbar have in his coat? 9. How many senses does a human being have? 5. How many tentacles does an octopus have? 8. How many thieves were connected with Ali Baba? 40. How many faces does a cube have? 6. How many colors does a rainbow have? 7. How many lives does a cat have? 9. How many books does the Bible contain? 66. How many balls are there in an over in cricket? 6. How many wise men came to Bethlehem? 3. The fear of which number is universal? 13. How many Vedas are there? 4. Which mathematical number came from India? 0. How many zodiac signs are there? 12. So students, half yearly course 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So up to 32, 10 chapters are coming for class 7th. So students, we have completed our GK course.